Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this video we will discuss a mechanic that was previously discussed in the Novus Mundus system called the path. However, here we will dedicate an actual video to the path mechanic. The path mechanic equates to skill checks in Dungeons and Dragons or saving throws in Dungeons and Dragons. It is known as the path in the Novus Mundus system. You refer to it as triggering the path or invoking the path. To invoke the path, let us take a skill that is in Dungeons and Dragons. Let us say athletics, for example. We also mentioned that we have 9 strata. So I will divide it here quickly. 1, and then copy paste. Here is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Rotate it, flip horizontal, and there. The 9 strata. I'll pull this here. I had a feeling. This always happens. And we also spoke of the different expectations at every level. Here it is -8. Here it is -6, -4, -2, 0, +2, +4, +6, and +8. These expectations are the same as modifiers in Dungeons and Dragons and other tabletop role-playing gaming systems. The path, to invoke a path, let us say for example you wish to perform a skill check for athletics or a saving throw for athletics. In this system known as the path, here is what you must do. Firstly, you roll 1d100, known as the percentile die, and just one. You do not need d20s, d4s, d15s, d12s. You do not need a collection of dice. You just need one die, and that is the d100. Then you add the result of the roll to the expectation. And if it is negative, you obviously subtract. Then you compare the result to the remora, which we have discussed previously. If the result is equal to or greater than the remora set for a particular action, the action succeeds. If it is lower, the action fails, but either way, you gain experience for both outcomes. This is known as the path, and it applies to skill checks and or saving throws. In this system, there are no skill checks or saving throws. Both of them are known as the path. Oh wow, I feel as if I am a thug with that spelling. See you at the path, the path, the path. Oh man, anyways, this is known as the path. You know what, I will add an arrow here. This is known as the path. And that is it for this video. I hope this recording was helpful and beneficial to you all, and I will see you in the next video for this system. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.